Select the horizontal type tool. Pick a font and text color and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. Resize the text and place it in the center of the canvas. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 rows. Select the background layer and unlock it. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Then select half of the photo. Press Ctrl+Shift+J to cut the selected area in a new layer. Place this new layer above the text layer. Right-click on this layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Create a solid color layer. Make this layer the same color as the text. Place the color fill layer below all the other layers. And that's how you create a half text, half photo effect.